This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's now Thursday afternoon, and this will be the last feeding of the day. Then we're going to the hospital to visit a neighbor who was picked up by ambulance yesterday. We're going to go have a nice flower arrangement for him, a spring flower arrangement, just to let him know that we're thinking of him. We'll go to the hospital and see if we can visit with him for a minute. And yeah, then I have to feed kitty cat. And the good news is Charlie came down this morning, so we'll see if he shows up again for this afternoon feeding. And as we were driving back from shopping, all of the crows were headed in the direction of the school, so something had disturbed them. And it happened maybe, I could see the birds about a mile down the road, all flying off in one direction into the trees by the school. So something happened in the direction of Hayfley. So the Hayfley building there in the corner. Something, something disturbed them. So interesting enough, since now the local residents have discovered that I'm back, I don't hear the noise-making machine anymore. But I got it on video, so they can't dispute that. So I don't see any seagulls right now, but we're going to throw this down here, so maybe the little crows have a jump on it, and which would be kind of nice. And I'll throw out a little bit of peanuts. There they are. Look at them already. I got some peanuts here. Throw a couple of peanuts down. We got those. There we go. I got a couple of peanuts. There we go. Oh, my beautiful little crows. How I missed you all winter. Right? We got a little bit of grain. We're going to throw some grain here, a little bit here, and then a little bit up there where the sparrows are. So let's see if Brian has any luck with Charlie. Like I say, put a little bit of grain here. This is actually seed. Put a little bit here. And we'll put some up by the sparrows. We throw some other little nuts out here. Nice little nuts out. There we go. Wow, I'll be so happy when it finally rains. Although the weather report is not calling for any rain here for at least the next 7 or 8 days. So we'll see what happens. But in the meantime, this manure is just going to stay on top of the soil here, and keep leaching out their terrible pathogens here, bacteria releasing in the air. I was talking to our friends on the island of Reichenau, where we go pick up our grain, our wheat, and supplement and mix with the seed. And this is why we had these orange skies the other night. This was all a dust storm, like I said, from North Africa, from the Sahara. So Does anyone see Charlie?
Not yet.
Here, Papa.
Not yet. Give me
You
a
can
chance.
hold that. I'll take the bag. Maybe he sees me through something here. Oh, I think I have a little bit of grain left in there. See, I kind of split it today.
Okay.
Between the other little places, just a little bit, but it's enough for them. There you go. Anybody see Charlie? Here.
Not yet.
Where
Not
the
yet.
hell's Charlie?
Yeah.
Where the hell's Charlie? Yeah, where is he? Where's our little Charlie? The other little birds are here, and I don't see any seagulls. But there was something that disturbed the birds here. Papa, I suggest we go. I don't think Charlie's coming. We'll see. Now we have some seagulls here. We'll have to try coming back in the night. Charlie don't show up now. There's a couple of gulls right there. Not many. Usually in the afternoon feeding versus the later afternoon, because I had a lot of errands to run this morning. But they there's always a smaller group later in the day. So let's say, and they're not quite as ravenous because the temperatures are warmer and they're spending more time at the lake. Of course, the gulls that are paired are preparing their nest and laying eggs. And these gulls obviously are not paired and probably Is that Charlie up there? No.
I think so.
No.
When I looked at them, they flew away.
What's that?
When I looked at them, they flew away.
It's not Charlie.
Probably didn't do that. He's not afraid.
No. No. And you sure that was Charlie this morning?
100%. 100%.
What was that? Did you hear that noise? What was that? What was that noise? Is there some kind of grating there that they drive over that would cause that kind of noise? But it really shook up the birds. Did you hear that? Unfortunately, YouTubers, something there from the Migros parking lot, some kind of ominous noise. I'm not sure if there's something there that a grating in the macadam in the parking lot I'd have to go look. I'm not aware of that, so I don't know what caused that noise. Or someone did something. Hard to say. There's someone up there. Oh, that looks like a girl. So I don't think it was her, but I'm not sure. They were just sitting up there. But yeah, no Charlie. No Charlie. Not right now. I don't know where he is. I have a little left here in case Charlie does show up. To say, you always have to be on the lookout that these people are poisoning these birds daily. So, you know, this is why I have to move the feeding station away from here at the end of this month and start, you know, feeding birds down near the park and drawing them away from here. Of course, Charlie will not be drawn. This is his home, and we'll have to make allowances for that. So, yeah, I have no idea. But Charlie's just, it's funny. The other birds